Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to do an MLA format outline. So I'm creating a Google document or a Google Classroom document submission form here. Submit your outlines here. Due on Monday, February 3rd. Alright, so through this link you guys can create your document and submit it through the same thing. For now, I'm just going to open up my own document because I can't open up one through the assignment. Okay, so here I am. So first things first, when I'm doing MLA format, I need to make sure that I have the proper formatting going on here. So I need to be in Times New Roman, size 12 font, and I need to make sure that it's double spaced at all times. And I also need to make sure that there's no space before and after paragraph. Do not click those or let those be clicked because that alters the MLA formatting. Okay, so first things first, you need to write your name first and last. I'll just write student name for now. Then after one enter, you type the name of the teacher or professor, in this case Mr. Gracie. Next, the class. This is English 12. And then the due date. I selected on Google Classroom that the date is due on February 3rd. So I need to do day, month, year, and it's key that I get this right. (2020). Okay, and I can just name this something. As long as I name it something, I'm fine. Thesis paper outline is fine. Alright, then you guys don't have to necessarily write your introductions yet, but you will have your introduction written on this page. Alright, then I can auto format for MLA outline settings here by simply just typing Shift I and then period. And then after I do that, I hit space, and now I'm automatically auto formatted in MLA outline settings. Okay, so from there I can just type main point because that is going to be your first main point of your paper. Okay, then if I hit enter, it's going to automatically put a Roman numeral number 2 there. So I don't want a Roman numeral number 2 yet because I'm going to want to type some examples. Okay, I need some subheadings of my main points, right? So I can click the button tab, and then it tabs over and I have an A as my setting there. Okay, so I can just type like example, 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 and for some of your main points, you're going to have more than just 3 examples. You might go A, B, D, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G if you need to. That's fine. Okay? And if you really want to, you could even have subpoints of your own examples. Okay? That's fine. You just need to do what you need to do for your outline. It's however it needs to help you. So for now, I'm just going to put 3 examples, and then I need to get to my Roman numeral number 2, okay? If I just click enter once, you see how it put me at the next letter, okay? If I put enter twice, that's when it puts me at Roman numeral number 2. So now I'm ready to go and type my second main point, okay? So if I want my ABC, then I do that. I tab over again. Then if I want to go to my main point number 3, make sure that I click enter twice. Now I'm on that main point, and so on and so forth. And remember guys, that this is not a paper where you're probably going to have only 3 main points. Your 3 main points are not in your thesis statement, okay? So you're probably going to have 4, 5, 6, maybe even 7 main points in this paper, okay? And then you're going to transition throughout. you're going to use transitions to connect them all together. Alright? So I'm going to just put 4 for you for right now to indicate that you need more than 3. Because I don't want you guys to think that 3 is the answer here. Okay? So, I've pretty much formatted everything I need to do for my outline format. Just remember that you will want to change the main point part here to whatever you want to make your topic. And remember that you don't need to put, for your examples, your actual quotations. You put whatever information you need, okay? So it can be 2 words, it can be a sentence, it can be whatever you need to help you stay organized as you compose your thesis paper. Alright? Another thing you guys need for MLA formatting is the last name and page number in the upper right hand corner. How I usually do that is I just click in the header. So I click twice and now I'm in the header. Initially when you click in, your cursor is going to be 1 line too high, so please click enter 1 time. Then I need you to right align it. And note that if you click in your header, you're not going to be in Times New Roman 12-point font. You're going to be at your auto setting for Google Documents. So click Times New Roman size 12 again, please. Alright, I'm just going to type last and then space. And then it's really important that when I click, or that when I go to put my page number here, that I don't just type the number. I need to click insert, page number, and then this setting, the first one it gives you. Because then I will actually have my page number that it is on each page instead of putting 1 on each page. See, I have last and 2 right there. Once I get onto my 3rd page, it'll be page 3.